The false case filed, she wanted to come out of the Apnagar. She was a minor. She was not ready to go to her mother's house. So she had to remain in custody till she was major. So then she was getting depressed. So she found one idea. She saw serials. She said, I saw serials in the TV. Then I got an idea that name some politician and then I could be out. Something she dreamt about, that I should name some influential person so I could come out of it. So she told a false story to the consular about the name of the accused. And therefore, whole process of law started. Accused was arrested. So she said, I was served with drinks at his house and sandwiches and patties or something and some drinks, cola. Sometimes she says it is a juice, sometimes she says it is a cola. So she became unconscious at 6 o'clock in the evening and she said, I got up at 11 o'clock. I don't know what happened to me. Therefore now what happens? She says, I got up 11 and then a driver who was dressed in white cap, white color uniform, dropped me in a white color car. And those sandwiches and soft drink were served by, there were some boys and girls who were serving to me and other people who were present there. Then our investigating officer tried to find out who were those girls, who were the boys. They couldn't find any of them. Then they found out who was the driver. There is no person wearing white dress. They found out in the locality also. Nobody was wearing a white dress driver and a cap white. Then she was asked to identify the white car. She was shown all the cars in the garage and she couldn't identify any of the cars. She said it had a purple color tissue paper box. Only that was the identification.
It was all scripted case.
On the basis of some imagination, on the basis of some TV serials. So she wanted to come out of that, Apnagar. She said, I went in depression. Even I was taken to IPHB hospital for treatment. So she wanted to blame somebody and come out of it.
So at time of case registered, she was in Apnagar.
She was in Apnagar.
But how come she connected with Babush Mancharat?
She gave a story that I went to his house. I was served with drinks. I became unconscious. Then she was working with Hallmark. She worked sometime with Hallmark. So she knew the accused. And she used to go to his house to collect those goods, cards, toys. So she knew the location of the house, where it is situated. She confessed thereafter. How do you know all location of the... She said, I went there. I was collecting goods, postcards, toys from that and bringing it to Hallmark. So that was one of the points. So ultimately she confessed before the court that I made this false story to come out of it. Both of them are not at all involved. She initially made her mother involved, saying that she has taken 50 lakhs from me and has sold it to me, Babush. Now, at the time of bail, Babush, judge told them to recover that 50 lakhs. He has taken 50 lakhs, mother, recover it from her. So they were given time, so they couldn't recover a single paisa. This was a case when she became unconscious. Then they tried to find out. Now period is from March and April. So total they are more than 60 days. So they couldn't get a single day when her calls were blank at night till morning. Even they gave a particular date. There were 18 calls on that night from 6 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Messages incoming and outgoing messages were there. So they said, you are a message, how you became unconscious? Then she said, no, I was not unconscious. I gave a false story to them. I was conscious. Then changed the story. Police changed the story. She was conscious, I went out. Now she said, I went to my friend's house. See, I went at 7 o'clock. Now if you wake up at 11 o'clock, how you could go to your friend's house at 7 o'clock? Then she couldn't identify anything. That's when she was confused. She said, I made a false story. I have nothing to do with my mother. Mother, she said, I have falsely implicated her. And mother was lastly not made an accused in this case. Her mother. Because I was angry because I had to go to Apnagar and supper. So I made my mother a party there.
The voice for Goem.